This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Diane Goodwin. Light and airy maintenance-free villa is waiting for you to enjoy the Florida lifestyle. This quiet, spacious unit is one of the largest in the community with over 1,500 square feet, plenty of room for family and guest. Renovations include new vinyl plank flooring throughout, new electrical box, AC, and windows. The kitchen features bright cabinets. The bathrooms are updated with quartz vanities. Only a block away are all the amenities of this 55-plus community. This villa is an ideal location. Did I mention you can even bring your boat and dock it for $24 a month? This energetic community has a pool, clubhouse, boat club and activities to suit all your interest. If you love the beach, your new home is only 2 miles from the #1 beach in the country, Siesta Key. Come join this friendly neighborhood now and start living the Florida life. For more information, review the details below or contact Diane Goodwin at 941-706-6620.